location here at Kowhai Drive, this new team hunt listing is a must-see.
We're really excited about this one, guys. Families are gonna love this home. Sunny, light-filled hub, separate lounge, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and easy access to schools, CBD, and the motorway.
Let's have a look.
It's midnight again. I've been lying in my bed. Ain't got no time. Ain't got no love. Gotta make you understand. I ain't got no time to spend. Why won't you just take my hand? Ain't got the time.
Great home, superb location. We look forward to showing you through.
Call Team Hunt today.
I've been waiting right behind.